Artificial intelligence is transforming the world, but when combined with quantum computing, it may unlock a whole new level of intelligence. Welcome to a quick introduction to quantum applications in AI. Traditional AI runs on classical computers using bits that represent either 0 or 1. Quantum computers use qubits which can exist in multiple states at the same time through a concept called superposition. This allows quantum systems to explore many possibilities simultaneously. One major application is quantum machine learning. Quantum algorithms can potentially process extremely large datasets faster than classical algorithms, improving tasks like pattern recognition, optimization problems, feature selection in machine learning. Quantum-enhanced AI may help solve complex optimization challenges such as supply chain optimization, portfolio management and finance, drug discovery and healthcare. Quantum algorithms, like variational quantum circuits and quantum support vector machines, are already being researched. Today, the most promising approach is hybrid AI systems, where classical computers handle data preparation and quantum processors perform specialized computations. Companies and research labs are actively exploring this combination. Although quantum hardware is still evolving, the fusion of quantum computing and artificial intelligence could redefine how machines learn, optimize, and discover new knowledge. The future of AI might not just be intelligent, it could be quantum intelligent. And that's a quick look at quantum applications in AI. Stay curious, keep learning, and explore the technologies shaping our future.